There's something interesting happening on the SUI network right now, and that is spam. Is it a meme coin or is there a real utility? It might be both. I think it's not that clear cut. At least the official Twitter page of SUI Network talks about spam as well. And it seems that spam helped the SUI network to overcome the TPS of Solana. How come? What does this mean? And how can you participate in spam as well? You will see in this video. Let's go. Welcome to another episode of Philprints, your one and only stop for crypto, finance, and trading. Now, I've come across spam less than a day ago, and I knew I had to make a video about it. My community already knows I like SUI, although I'm not affiliated with them. If someone from the SUI team is watching right now, of course, we can change that. All right, so the website of spam looks very, let's say, simple. You could say it looks scammy, but I think SUI wouldn't endorse something that is a scam. And altogether, it's pretty simple. Basically, spam is a web miner that spams the SUI network with transactions. And through that, 1 billion spam coins are minted every day. And you, as the user of this website, can basically top up SUI coin, let the miner run. Your SUI will be used as transaction fees for the transactions that are spammed on the network, and in return you will receive spam coin. So it's basically not proof of work, but proof of spam. To me, it really sounds like a meme coin with some utility. I'll show you the process more in depth, but before that, let me show you what's on Twitter about this. Now, as I teased already, the SUI network managed to overcome the TPS, meaning the transactions per second of the Solana network, and that is 800 plus TPS. And this is due to the many transactions that were created through spam. So as you can see here, this vertical spike here that brought it above Solana, this is because of spam. And therefore the SUI network was able to show that it can handle that easily. It sounds a little bit like the SUI team did it itself, but they say the community project spam led by juzybits brought that into life. What's also pretty interesting, this is pretty much exactly 1 year after the launch of SUI, and also shortly after the big token unlocks that I've already talked about in prior videos. Now, this is the founder of Spam, juzybits, and of course, he talks about everything we have to know about it as well. So as I already introduced, the rewards per user, if you use the web miner, will let users mint spam in proportion to the number of transactions they send. And how does this work? Well, on the SUI network, one epoch, meaning one time period, is roughly equivalent to 1 day. And therefore, the minting process of spam is based on these epochs. So you start within one epoch to mint spam, and in the next epoch, meaning on the next day, you're able to claim them. And that is very important. If you don't claim them in the next epoch, you will lose them. And of course, on the next day, you can mint new spam as well, but you have on the following day, again, have to claim them. And this goes on and on as long as you want to mint spam. He also talks a little bit about the technical implementation. If you want, you can read about that on their GitHub page. There's a link on their website here, read the docs. So you could also read a little bit into the code here in the source folder. And what's also interesting, 1 billion spam will be minted every day. So the spam supply grows linearly over time, and therefore the inflation rate decreases over time. So this means after day 100, the inflation will be at 1%. As then there will be 100 billion tokens and 1 billion tokens per day created. So therefore there will be 1% inflation on this day. All right, so let's have a look at how this works in practice. I've topped up some SUI myself to test it out. But before that, please make sure to enter my Telegram group, which comes with one of my trading indicators and a 1-hour trading course that explains it and helps you to build your own strategy for free. I want my community to thrive. Secure your spot while it's still free. This may change for new members in the future. Link is down below. Now, the first thing you're gonna wanna do is go to the wallet section, and there you can see your SUI address. This will be created automatically. The first one is your public address, and the second one is your secret key, private key. You have to save this yourself, because obviously this is the way to control the SUI you send to this wallet and also the spam you will receive. Of course, I will blur out my SUI address and secret key. So you will send some SUI to this public address. And on the next day, when you claimed your spam, they encourage you to import this secret key to a SUI mobile or browser wallet and withdraw the spam coin. Once again, make sure to save the secret key here because it may change the next time you visit this website. And if you stored it, you can always import it with this button right here. Now, if you've topped up your wallet, you will go to spam right here and it'll show you your SUI balance right there. The current epoch, which is at this moment 389, how many transactions you've already sent. And when you click the spam button, it'll start to spam the SUI network. So you don't have to do anything. As you can see, it takes some transactions till the SUI balance changes. Right now it changed to 87. Just let it run. It'll stop if the SUI balance is at 0, or you can always stop it yourself, pause it, and start it again. Now, of course, as I've just started spamming, I don't have spam coin yet. I will claim them tomorrow. And if you're in my Telegram group, I will tell you how that went, if everything went fine, or if the money is just gone and this is a scam. Well, let's see. If you already have your spam, then you're able to sell them on a SUI DEX, and that is Turbo's Finance. So Turbo's Finance already works with them. They also have a banner here, spam SUI pool is live. And if you've withdrawn your spam to another SUI wallet, as I told you, then you will be able to connect it here, exchange your spam to more SUI. So of course, I really hope that I will gain more SUI than I've put into it through minting spam. At this moment, one SUI is 54,115.09 spam. And I'm looking forward to see how many spam I will get tomorrow. If you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, please ask yourself why, and do it now. You really don't want to miss any of the next videos. Of course, none of this was financial advice. I've just tried it myself. Do your own research. This was Phil Prince for you. Until next time, crush the markets. Goodbye.